Yo, what's up? I'll show you how to use the update statement in MySQL Workbench. Okay, now I have my table here. It's called subscribers. Let's see the table with the select statement. Here's the table. For instance, I have some missing pieces of data here with from the first name, last name, and the records. For the first update statement, let's say we want to update this field, the first column. You come and say update name of the table. Mine is subscribers. Set first name equal to a set of quotes. Then in between the quotes, we're going to have our first name, which is Lisa, where we are going to use the subscribers ID to tell the statement where we are going to update. Equal to 5, because our subscribers are at number 5. Run it. Let's see the table. The first name was updated. For another example, let's say we want to update 2 columns at once. For that, we are going to say update subscribers set last name, a set of quotes. The last name is going to be Mary, then comma for the second column, records. You say records. For the records, the comment is going to be liked my video. Then you say where subscriber ID is equal to number 5. Run it. Let's see the table. Both the columns have been updated. For another example, I have my employees table here. Double click on the database. To see the table, you are going to select everything from employees. Run it. Here's the data we are going to be working with. Now let's say we want to change this value. We are going to say update employees, which is the table. You are updating the table. Set salary equal to set of quotes 550, where the ID is number 5. Semicolon. Run it. Don't ever forget the semicolons. Let's see the table. The column was updated. Now let's say we want to multiply the salary by 2. Update employees set salary equal to salary, multiply it by 2, where the ID is equal to number 5. Semicolon. Run it. We are going to multiply this by 2. Let's see the table. 550 was multiplied by 2. For the next statement, let's say we want to update the salary by 50. So we're going to say update employees set salary equal to salary plus 50, where ID is equal to 5. Semicolon. Run it. Let's see the table. Oh, we are using the employees table, not the subscribers table. The salary was updated by 50. You are free to do anything with this. You can either multiply it or subtract it. The salary was decreased by 50. For the last statement, let's say we want to delete the last department at row 5. You just say update employees set. Now we are updating the department equal to set of quotes, then just leave it empty. ID is equal to 5. Let's see the table. It's now empty. Okay, that was how to update some tables in MySQL Workbench. In the next video, I'll show you how to use the delete statement.